My name is Nemanja Sekulic and I'm a professional photographer and digital artist. I started my creative journey 19 years ago when I got my first Photoshop as a birthday gift. My creative process starts in my mind by visualizing the things that I want to create. After that, I do some rough sketches and then I take my own photos or search online for necessary materials. Then I bring everything into Photoshop and start combining everything together. And that's the most fun part for me. I really love to see that something that was just an idea is slowly getting into life and becoming an artwork. I'm always paying attention to the three important things in photo manipulation: perspective, lights and colors. To be able to create a realistic photo manipulation, I need to match all my elements in perspective, lights and colors. I like to switch between 2D and 3D workspace because sometimes I have a need to model some 3D elements that are not existing in real life, or it's really hard to get them. Most of the time I need a second screen to have a bigger space to arrange my tools and all the elements that I need for my photo manipulation. And the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo is a great solution when I'm working out of my studio. It also has a stylus, which is a great benefit for me because I'm used to work with a pen instead with a mouse. The raw power I need is right there at my fingerprints. The Intel Core i9 processor and the RTX 2060 graphic card allows me to quickly adjust the image and speed up my workflow. The screen is 4K OLED HDR and it's Pantone validated display, which allows me to have incredible color precision and make sure what I see is the real color, which is really important to me. The second screen is a touchscreen with a resolution of 3840 by 1100. Overall, it's a beast of a laptop for content creators.